Hey everybody, and welcome back to the VW Nut Garage. Patina's here. Today what we have is my tractor, my redneck tractor. I use this thing for all sorts of stuff, but I want to do a pulley swap. And this pulley right here is way too big. I want to see what kind of, right now it does, I don't even know how fast, a little faster than you could probably run, probably. And I don't want a whole lot faster, but a little bit faster. So I want to see about getting that pulley off of there. I got to change the oil and service the engine, so we'll drain the fluids and take the Frenched in gas tank off, and see about getting this thing where we can get to that pulley and get it off of there, and go to the store and get a smaller pulley and see what happens. Stay tuned. Alright, so what we got here is the underside of my Frenched in fuel cell. That runs right down here to what I believe is the fuel pump. By accident, this comes off really easy and will go right into that can right there. Almost like I designed it that way, but completely by accident. So I'll set you guys, I don't know if you can see right there or not. Let me see. I'll find a spot for you to see. I'll find a spot. How about right there? How's that look? Mint. Perfect. So let's drain some fuel. Grab a fuel shut off pair of vice grips, just in case I want to shut her off. Probably that's how I'm going to start with it, shut off. And take this here clamp loose. Stuff that right down in there by a complete accident, and should be draining. That's my best guess. It's draining. I mean, we could look, but I could probably hear it. All right, we'll turn you back on as soon as we get something. All right, so that tank's all empty, and go ahead and just pull the whole front end off of this thing. The gas cap's on. Unplug the factory headlights. Take this off for right now. Set it over here. Alright, so we're back, and I took the gas tank off, drained the fluids, took the battery off of there. So now I should be able to just pick this up, stand it up, and be able to see the pulleys and the belts and everything and decide what it is I'm going to need. So just in case something interesting happens when I stand this up, I turn you guys on, but essentially it should just be me flipping this thing up. We'll see. Alright, well, that was pretty uneventful. It's resting on the seat, and take you over here. So, the pulley I'm going after is this one right here, and you can see it's pretty good size, and I want to reduce that pulley. If I reduce that pulley, then I spin the transmission faster, which then gives me a faster top speed. So, we'll see about moving some stuff out of our way and cleaning up this little bit of a mess we made, taking the oil out of it, because, well, It's no fun unless you make a mess. Alright, we'll be right back. Alright, so I got the belt off of there, and I'm going to take off this here bracket right here. And thought I'd turn the camera on so I could remember how it goes, because it probably won't. I'll get that bracket off and then we'll see about getting that pulley loose. So that's off. Put that on our parts counter over here. And figure out what size that pulley is. I'll get that nut off of there and then, yep, see you soon. Any second. Yeah. Alright, so get that belt off of there and got that nut off of there. And there's my problem. There is my problem. That is most definitely a problem. So, it looks like I'm going to need a few inches. Now whether or not I just go ahead and zizz that right out of there, or if I take this whole transmission loose and take it out of there, it's up for debate. So we'll see what I decide to do. I may try and, pry on things a little bit first, and we'll see. Alright, so I got the pulleys off of there, thanks to my good friend Musty One swinging by to make sure I weren't screwing things up too badly. Put you guys down right about there. I'm going to go ahead and lift this up again, and I'll give you a closer look at the pulleys, then we'll get on our way to the tractor store to get different ones. I'd ask Bettina to help me lift this, but she just, this time of day, she's house cat status. First day putting on gloves. Alright, so got the top pulley off there. We'll see how hard that is to get. We got this pulley off of there. So we'll head for the tractor store. I'll let you guys guard my car while I'm inside. So let's go for a ride. Oh, just real quick. Here's the bottom pulley, and here's the top pulley. So I either want to go a little bit smaller on this one or a little bit bigger on this one. Maybe a little bit of both. We'll buy a couple of pulleys and we'll see what we can't put together. Keep an eye on it. second time's the charm. So here's what we're trying to do. That's the right one from Tractor Supply. We're drilling out the center of the stock one. And then I know this guy in my neighborhood who's an awesome welder, and he's going to make them too so they're permanently glued together. Alright, well, I've got this pulley back from a super secret location. It's not much smaller than the other one, but it's smaller. But I was tightening it down, and as you can see, it just spins. So I'll show you guys a trick that I use when I got something that doesn't want to stay put, like a pulley like this. I just grabbed a belt off of my wall, and I'm holding the belt, and that stopped the pulley so I could get her tight. And that's how we do that. Now we got to bolt that fender back on. The transmission gets bolted back together. There's a shifter linkage in there I got to bolt back together. Then we'll measure for the belt and decide what I'm going to do with that front pulley right there. And then I'll see you in a second. Alright, so we're just getting things put back together here, but I spend a lot of time looking for my tools. Only because I forget what I set them down. And like this one, it's right here. I set it down right here. Alright, so there's the original belt. I went to the auto parts store and got one that's 1 inch smaller and 2 inches smaller. I put that belt on there, and it was pretty close. Just surprising. I'll show you guys stuff. So you can see the old pulley versus the new pulley. Took the advice of one musty one who said don't go too small, so I didn't. We'll get her put together. I hear Musty One's on his way over. We'll see if we can't do some late night drag stripping on a tractor. See you soon. Alright, well, it's back together with the smaller belt on it. And double check the oil, fill it up with gas, pull the yellow truck out of the garage, turn on the headlights, and see how fast it goes. Alright, so Musty One is here. I'll put you guys on the tractor. Let's go right there. You guys can go right there. Oh, careful. Alright, I got no throttle. Just a clutch and some brakes. And a helmet. Alright, take two. Three, or whichever it is. Boom! better. Well, the pulley swap is complete and a success. I'm going to wrap this one up tomorrow. We're going to get some footage in the daytime on the street. And see you in the morning, which will be like half a second for you guys. Alright, so it's daylight. If you can hear me, it's windy. We're going to try some wheeling. Alright, so we're going to rip it right now. It's muddy, greasy. Well, that'll do it for this one.